परवरिश? क्या परवरिश में सिर्फ माता पिता की ही भूमिका होती है या परवरिश में मित्रों और मीडिया की भी भूमिका होती है? इन सभी चीज़ों का बच्चों पर कब, कैसे और कैसे असर पड़ता है, इन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में जानने के लिए आइए हम देखते हैं एक छोटा सा इंग्लिश स्केच। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं।
We are going to see that how many things affects the parvarish of child. What is difference between positive and negative environment that we give us to child. In first scene, we are going to see what is impact of negative environment of child, what is result of it, and what are consequences of it. So let's begin this drama with first scene.
Don't you know my status? I come from a royal family. If I had said something bad to those poor fellows, so would you think that I would be apologetic? No, never. Yes, my child?
Father, today I have done a mistake. I have a deep remorse in my heart. I fought and slapped to one poor boy of my class.
Hey, don't cry. You are my child. If you had said something bad to those poor fellows, so don't be apologetic in front of them.
Okay, Father.
When the father is only teaching these devilish things to his kid, he is unknowingly sowing the seed of arrogance and freakiness in a kid. Now, let us see what is the impact of the words of mother on a kid.
Grandfather, some poor people are waiting of you on the door. What's this?
This is a refreshment which refresh your mind. And what did you say? Some poor people are waiting for me. Tell them grandfather is not at home.
Okay, grandfather.
We can understand the results of it when a child is being taught these kinds of venomous and addictive material, those who are really feeding poison to our innocent mind and its threat to his innocent well-being and his future. We must recognize the responsibilities that lies among all of us sitting over here as a teacher, as a parent, as a good friend and as the guardian. So, now let us see what happens next. What is the next scene here?
You know, from few days I'm not looking so good. Let's go to the luxurious parlor for my nail extension, pedicure, manicure, and then I have to go in my kitty party. Yahoo! I'm very excited. You know, last time my plan was to go for a Europe trip, but unfortunately I have to cancel my trip just because my son exam was there.
Mother.
You know, life is all about enjoyment. We should have to do so much fun. You don't have manners. Wait for 2 minutes. I'm just talking to my friend.
Mother, I think you don't like me.
Go away from here and do study.
You can understand when the mother is unconscious and she's living in her own imaginary world where she doesn't have the time for her son and family member except for showing the flashiness. You can understand the consequences of it on the child.
we have seen that Ishan is growing up in an environment where he's learning arrogance from his father. He's learning to engage in meaningless and addictive habits from his grandfather. And meanwhile, he's learning flashiness from his mother. So, what will happen if the family is only teaching these kinds of things to him? Does he can become successful in his life? Let us see that now what is the impact of bad friend circle on Ishan and what are consequences of it.
My slaves, kneel in front of the king! Now we have one of the biggest missions to accomplish to derail humanity from virtuous path. Who will take this golden chance? No, it's not your cup of tea. You're a small devil. I would like to assign the devil who seduced Ravan to be one of the most arrogant and whispered Hitler to destroy the world. He can't be none other than arrogance. Your responsibility is to make them more arrogant. You can take the example of movies because nowadays every children wants to become a villain. Go! Next, I would like to call the one who put children in hallucination in a fake world. He can be no other than except sorcerer. Sorcerer, you have to make them feel mentally ill, make them feel depressed, make them feel anxiety. You know your duties well. Use social media because nowadays everyone is affected from it. Go, sorcerer. Now the one who is the reason behind मुकेश 25 वर्ष की आयु में ही चला गया. He can be none other than Boozer and his weapons. Even I am affected from his weapons like pan masala, gutka, viman, ilaichi. Boozer is the most dangerous among all of them. Boozer, you know you have to what to do. You can go, Boozer, go! My devils! You have to destroy humanity! Show no mercy!
We know when the kid is in the notorious environment, the negativity and friends decide to get closeness with him. And once if a child is close to them, the bad friend circle is spoil the life of child, especially of a obedient, virtuous kid. Now, let us see in the next scene that how the bad friend circle spoiled the life of Ishan and put him on the path of destruction.
Ishan, teacher is calling you because you slept one junior. Go fast.
What happened, Thomas?
I slapped one junior. Now teacher is calling me.
Haven't seen movie Pushpa? In movie Pushpa, Pushpa has said, "Jhukega nahi," which means don't be apologetic for anyone
Okay.
Teacher, he slapped me when I was playing in the park. He's very bad. Please punish him.
Hey Ishan, why did you slap him? Say sorry to him.
I won't say sorry.
Why? You made a mistake. Say sorry to him. He is your junior.
I won't say sorry because I learned not to be banned at front of anyone. And my father and Pushpa said the same thing.
Hey ma'am, have you noticed any changes in Ishan's behavior?
Yes, I have. He is missing deadlines and not paying attention in class. His grades are slipping. What's going on with him?
Absolutely ma'am. What do you think? We should talk to his parents?
No, I know his parents. They are turning a blind eye for Ishan's education. They are very unconscious and turning a blind eye for Ishan's education. And they are living in imaginary world.
Oh no ma'am, I really don't know about them. Parents
ma'am.
are the pillar of strength in a child's life.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey Ishan, why are you studying? Look at your face. Your face is so fascinating. And why your hairs are so short? Let them grow until they are long and fluffy. Don't have a smartwatch like me or a smartphone like I have. Ask your wealthy parents to buy a smartwatch and smartphone for you because they are so rich. I have arranged a party at restaurant. You are invited.
Okay, I will definitely come.
Let's go, my friend.
This happens in everyone's life, especially in the life of teenagers, where we are being enticed by these kinds of friends like sorcerers, those who disperse our concentration and put us in the hallucination. My urge to all the parents and the students sitting over here, keep away yourself from these kinds of friends because these of friends are not gonna just be with you for the whole life. Enjoy your life, go to the right path, but in the good way. Now let us see what happens next. Hey Ishan, how are you?
I'm not fine.
So take this refreshment. It will refresh your mind and you can focus more on your studies. Haven't watched the KGF? Where Rocky Bhai always moved to refresh his mind and how cool was he looking. Now eat this refreshment and enjoy your life. This is a trap of some bad friends where they make the kids addictive of venomous material. The kid was learning the same thing at home by his family member and same lesson taught by his bad friends. Now let us see the impact of it on Ishan.
What's this, Ishan? It is very poisonous and venomous for our health. Why you eat this? It can cause you cancer also.
I have learned to eat this venomous thing from you. Now I can't leave this.
Ishan, what is this? Look at your time. Look at your outfit. Look at your hairs. Look at your shirt. Look at your pant. You're looking so flashy. Don't live in this imaginary world.
I have learned this fleshiness from you. When I needed you, you were living in your imaginary world. You didn't have time for me. Now I am on the same path.
Ishan, don't you have manners? Say sorry to your mother.
I won't say sorry.
Why?
Because you taught me. Don't be apologetic to anyone. so I won't say sorry.
We have lost our child.
Yes, we have destroyed the life of our child.
As we have already seen, what is the impact of the environment of the family, role of the bad friends, and impact of media, social media, and cinema in the nurturing and upbringing of a kid. If I first talk about the environment of the family, so environment of the family is the first school to introduce the moral and the good qualities or the bad qualities to a child. If I talk about second, friends. So friends play a very important role in the nurturing and upbringing of a kid. So now let us see what is the impact of the positive environment of the family.
Hello, Ramu Kaka. I'm really sorry for yesterday. I have great remorse in my heart. Forgive me for yesterday, please. Father, today I fought with Rahul and I slapped him. I'm really regret for it. Son, you should always be apologetic and say sorry tomorrow, okay? Okay, I will apologize to teacher and that student. Good. Father is a starter in this world. Father is a motivator in this world. Father is an inspiration in this world. If I'll say in my words, so Father is our whole world. Father plays a climactic role in shaping the future of a student. They instill values, discipline, and responsibilities among their children. Now, let us see what is the influence of mother in her son, about what is life and what is the meaning of life. Mom!
Yes, my son.
What is life and what is the meaning of life?
My dear son, life is all about to make your parents, family members and well-wisher feel proud. Regardless, how do you feel feeling pride? Is always bigger and greater than the feelings of happiness. So don't indulge in the bad things to get the happiness. Be honest and be polite.
Okay, Mom, I will never indulge in bad things and I will polite and honest.
Okay.
Mother is the first and most significant teacher in a child's life. She not only nurtures the child but also teaches all the moral values and life lessons to the child. Great. At an early age, she introduces the concepts of kindness, empathy, respect, and honesty, creating a strong foundation for the child's future interactions with the world. Now, let us see what is the role of grandfather in a child's life. Grandfather, what are you doing? Grandfather? What were you doing?
I was doing meditation because it is very important for your health. Like it will improve your focus and make your mental health very healthy. So we should do meditation. But nowadays some people are there to take addictive materials to refresh their mind. But it's very detrimental for their health. Instead of that, they can do meditation and yoga, which will helpful for their health also. You know, Gautam Buddha also done meditation to find the real peace of life
Oh, really?
Yes, so will you do meditation?
Okay, I will definitely do a meditation with you.
Let's come do meditation.
As we know, environment of the family is the first school, and the family members teach the child to be obedient and mold his personality as a good or as a bad person. Here, the mother, father and grandfather are doing the same thing to teach Aryan about the good personality. Now, let us see what is the impact of the positive friend circle on Aryan.
Now, the Aryan is among the friends, where he encounters some bad friends and the good friends. In this scene, you all will watch how the good friends protect him and what is the importance of good friends in the children's life. But most of the parents are not aware about their children's friends.
Aryan, teacher is calling you because you slept when junior. Go fast.
What happened, Aryan?
Teacher is calling me. I think she will punish me.
Haven't seen movie Pushpa? In movie Pushpa, Pushpa is said, "Shukega nahi," which means don't be apologetic for anyone.
Okay, I will not say sorry to the teacher and that student. Aryan, don't believe in his word. Don't you know what happened with Ravan? Ravan was the most powerful and knowledgeable person. He was devotee of Lord Mahadev, but his arrogance destroyed him. If you will show arrogance to the teacher, the same thing will happen with you. You will be also destroyed. Don't you remember? Your father always says, don't be arrogant and don't persist on your mistakes. Yeah, he always said that. As already the narrator have mentioned about the consequences of arrogance, but you all come across some friends, those who always motivate you. So don't be arrogant, because if you are the arrogant, so you will become ungrateful, and if you are ungrateful, so you can't be in the good book of anyone in your life.
Hey Aryan, why are you studying? Look at your face. Your face is so fascinating. And why your hairs are so short? Let them grow until they are fluffy and long. You have a smartwatch like me or a smartphone. Ask your wealthy parents to buy a smartphone and smartwatch for you because they are so rich. Today I have arranged a party. You are invited.
Okay, I will definitely come in your party.
Hey Aryan, don't follow his words because hedonic path destroy you. You are the hope of your parents, well-wisher and your whole society. Don't engage your time in this worthless or useless things. Don't you know Ramji protect himself from Surpnakha, and your mother always say you don't interrupt in bad things to get happiness in your life.
Yeah.
Friends, there are lots of the friends came to the life of teenagers. Those who always put them in illusionary world by motivating them that you should be more smarter. You should have some expensive things and you should have IDs on different social media platforms. But there are some good friends who always protect us not to engage in these abnormal things, and they try their best to pull out us from this illusionary world. As you have seen how the David was protected by his good friends.
Study is very difficult. How can I solve this? It's very difficult for me. I cannot do this.
Hey Aryan, how are you?
I'm not fine.
So take this refreshment. It will refresh your mind and you can focus more on your studies. Haven't watched the KGF? Where Rocky Bhai always smoked to refresh his mind, and how cool was he looking. Now eat this refreshment and enjoy your life.
him, why are you eating this very nice material? It will destroy you and make you addicted of it. Do you know your grandfather always said, do meditation for your better health, so you will do meditation? Yes, I will do meditation. He always said that. As we can see here that some bad friend came to destroy Aryan's life, but some good friends saved him from these kinds of terrorists. And now let us see what is the impact of conscious family and the good friends and his mentors. Let's see.
As we have seen that how Aryan's friend protect him to distract on the path of distraction. They tell him to engage in good things. They tell him to not to distract from his path, because he is hope for his parents. Just same thing happened with us. Sometime it happened that we distract from our path and we forgo that we are hope of our parents. We should never forget. We are dream of them, and we should always remember we will fulfill their dreams, and we should always surround ourselves with positive friends and good friends. Now let us see that what is impact of positive parvarish on child. Does he become successful?
Deepest gratitude to my family members, my mentors and my friends. Thank you.
प्यार, धैर्य और ज्ञान की परवरिश ही बच्चे को सही रास्ते पर चलना सिखाती है। परंतु बच्चे की परवरिश के लिए सबसे अधिक जिम्मेदार कौन है? परिवार के सदस्य, दोस्त या मीडिया की भूमिका?
रामायण की एक चौपाई में कहा गया है, बालक बोलत सीख जब ताहि न देहु उपदेश, सीख ही सुबह ही बालपन जो गुरुगार संदेश। इसका अर्थ यह है कि बालक को बचपन से ही अच्छे संस्कार और शिक्षा देनी चाहिए ताकि वो आगे चलकर अनुशासित और सफलतापूर्वक अपना जीवन जी सके। तो मेरे हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि माता पिता की भूमिका सबसे अहम होती है बच्चे की परवरिश में। मुझे लगता है कि घर एक पहला स्कूल होता है बच्चे का। वो जो भी सीखता है वो पहले अपने माता पिता से सीखता है, फिर अपने विद्यालय से सीखता है। वो परिवार ही उसमें अच्छाई और बुराई का बीज बोते हैं। बच्चे का व्यवहार कैसा होगा, या वो आगे चलकर सफल बनेगा या नहीं बनेगा, वो उसके परवरिश पर निर्भर करता है। अगर परवरिश अच्छी हो तो निश्चित रूप से ही बच्चा जीवन में सफल बनेगा और अपने माता पिता का, गुरुजनों का, मित्रों का एवं इस समाज का नाम रोशन करेगा। तो मेरे हिसाब से बालक की परवरिश के लिए सबसे ज्यादा जिम्मेदार उसके माता पिता और उसका परिवार होता है।
नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि मित्रों की भूमिका सबसे अधिक होती है, क्योंकि हम लोग 5 लोगों के अधीन रहते हैं जिनके साथ हम अपना बहुत ही अधिक समय व्यतीत करते हैं। अगर हमारा मित्र असत्य बोलता है तो हम भी असत्य बोलना सीख जाते हैं। अगर हमारा मित्र गंदा रहने वाला है तो हम भी गंदे ही रहेंगे। अगर हमारा मित्र घमंडी है तो हम में भी घमंड का ही अवगुण उत्पन्न होगा, जैसे कि अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले इस नाटक के जरिए देखा था। इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि मित्रों की सबसे अधिक भूमिका होती है बच्चों का जीवन बनाने या बिगाड़ने में।
नहीं, मेरे अनुसार बच्चे की परवरिश में सबसे अधिक या महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका मीडिया, सोशल मीडिया और मूवी की होती है। बच्चे सोशल मीडिया एवं मूवी में जो देखते हैं उनकी मानसिकता भी वैसी ही होती जाती है। जैसे कि आजकल आपने देखा ही होगा, मूवी में विलेन को हीरो की तरह दर्शाया जा रहा है, जिससे बच्चे भी वैसा ही व्यवहार करने लगे हैं। और अगर मैं बात करूं सोशल मीडिया की, तो सोशल मीडिया में जो बच्चे देखते हैं वह वैसा ही करने लगते हैं। मेरी इस बात से सभी पालक भी सहमत होंगे कि जिस उम्र में बच्चे को खेल कूद में शामिल होना चाहिए, उस उम्र में बच्चे मोबाइल की लत में लग गए हैं।
तुम लोगों ने मुझे फिर से उलझन में डाल दिया है कि बच्चों की परवरिश के लिए अधिक जिम्मेदार कौन है। मुझे लगता है कि हमें इसे माता पिता पर ही छोड़ देना चाहिए।
तो आप सभी को क्या लगता है, परवरिश में सबसे अधिक कौन जिम्मेदार है?